Dear student, good morning everybody. SVPS online classes, class 10th, class 10th, subject biology, topic we discussion for the heart. Heart we discussion for the next video. So is the discussion for the heart is the four chamber are present in this condition and there is cardiac cycle for the 0.8 second and the 1 minute is the heartbeat for the 1 minute into the beat for the 72 beat. So it is the heart is the pumping organ. So point one be noted. Heart is a pumping organ. So the pumping organ, the blood into the body for the cavity or the auricle or the ventricle, left auricle, left ventricle, right auricle, and left ventricle. So is the heart for the four chamber heart. That is the four chamber heart. So that is the left auricle and left ventricle and right auricle and right ventricle. So heart is the four chamber is the pumping organ for which the acid node is the or the acid node is present as a node is present. So the acid node is the तो कार्डियक जो साइकिल है उस साइकिल को चलाने के लिए ऐसे नोड फॉर्मेशन मुख्य अदा करता है। तो जो ऐसे नोड है वो पंपिंग ऑर्गन है या ऐसे ही हम पेस मेकर। तो ऐसे नोड इज कॉल्ड एज ए पेस मेकर। एस ए नोड इज कॉल्ड पेस मेकर। सो पेस मेकर इज द acid node for the sinus auricular node is called as the pacemaker. Pacemaker is the body into the supply for the blood circulation and to the supply for the oxygenated blood into the body for different part and deoxygenated blood the absorb and to the respiration process into the oxygenated blood is the absorbed for our body and the deoxygenated blood is the refer for the body to lungs. So the acid node is called as the pacemaker. So next point to be noted for the blood is the present and the artery and vein. So blood vessels are the present. Blood is supply for the blood vessels यानी blood is supplying blood vessel. So blood vessels are the supply for the blood vessels. Blood vessels are two type. First is the artery and second is the veins. So artery is the deoxygenated blood to transfer deoxygenated blood to transpiration for the artery into the deoxygenated blood blood supply. The deoxygenated blood supply for the artery is the impure blood supply for the body to different organs are the absorb the blood is the artery is the deoxygenated blood supply for the body, and veins is the pure blood, and pure blood means yani oxygenated blood are supplied to heart to body organ. So veins is the oxygenated blood या और प्योर ब्लड सप्लाई हार्ट टू ऑर्गन। जो ऑक्सीजनेटेड ब्लड है वो सप्लाई जो है वो हार्ट से ऑर्गन की तरफ डेवलप होता है, और डीऑक्सीजनेटेड ब्लड है जो ऑर्गन से हार्ट की तरफ। तो डीऑक्सीजनेटेड ब्लड जो है वो ऑर्गन टू हार्ट, So artery is the deoxygenated blood into the supply organ to heart, and the veins is the supply for the oxygenated blood in supply heart to organ. So heart to organ is supplied by pure blood, veins, and artery is the supply for the blood vessels for the organ to heart. So is the two blood vessels are present in this body for the artery and veins. ठीक। Next, deoxygenated blood is supply for the veins, and artery is the supply for the organ to heart. So that is the structure we see. That is the impure blood यानी deoxygenated blood is supplied to heart. For the oxygenated blood is supplied to different organ. So oxygenated blood is supplied to the organ, and deoxygenated blood to organ to heart. For the heart to organ is present in veins. Veins is the supply of oxygenated blood, and artery is the supply for the deoxygenated blood. Thanks for watching. For you, we study now and detailed discussion.